Going back home. You know what I'm saying? It's 9 already. It's crazy. I bet today we're in the company of a bed. They sell beds over here. Anything like furniture. But they sell fireworks today for this year. So you know, let's go check it out. Shit, is one coming? I don't know if one coming.
You feel me?
Shit, is it long?
Hey, gang.
I'm not sure what to get.
Damn. Hey, nah, look. 9 shots. 125. Hey,
Oh, yeah, you can get these. These right there, you see these?
hey, but nah, we're mainly focused on the kids. Focus on the kids. What they gonna see? You feel me? I'm talking about we got enough money to buy elite shit for them to like keep on going. You feel me? Keep on going. You can do this once again. The one over and over.
Are we supposed to get a cart? Oh no.
Get the grocery cart. That shit look cool. Nah, bro. Ah, fuck it.
I gotta use the restroom now.
Hey, look.
You want these ones?
I don't know what that shit is. We gotta make sure if it's day or night.
They're like shooting in the sky.
Man, I ain't gonna do that. It's gonna be like firecracker, like exploding type shit.
Like spark?
Yeah, sparkle. Type shit.
We got a fucking dog.
That duck, man. My nigga guilty. No, bro. How you got guilty?
They won't let me out, locked up. They won't let.
Dude, this shit lit.
You could buy that. 17 pieces.
How much is that? Damn, we gotta go to the bank though. Alright, we got some shit in mind,
We
but
didn't see this part, but there's more over here. Where's the package?
hey, but $279 for that. I don't know about that. Damn, that shit a whole. I'm gonna have to cop that. I'll be back. Hold up. Hey, oh, it's like 90 shots. Yeah, that one over there, that shit is like.
That shit goes fast.
107. No, it comes with 17. 17 of them.
How many sharks?
Yeah, you gotta tap in. That shit pretty good. Yo.
Huh? What?
Oh shit.
There you go. I just made it home. Missed calls on my phone. See, I've been gone. Was trying to.
I give you this one. I mean, I'm not sure. I mean, it is worth it, huh? These are big ones. Tap in, guys. Tap in. You can find it up in those. Plug! Ándale, wey. Ándale. Got the boat.
Man, can you open the door, man?
You got the pack. Do you think the fireworks gonna be big? Like, man, I'm dead. Like, more bigger? Oh.
Ustedes son mis hijos, aquel es mi hijo mayor.
Huh?
Ustedes son mis hijos chiquitos. Okay. Vamos a poner otro, mira.
Whoa! Whoa!
Damn, so this shit slow.
saying? We still have more, huh? Yeah. Here's the second one. Head there.
Los paquetes así, mira. Los paquetes, tira uno, está, se abre, tira uno de esos, mira, de bola, porque son 4, tienen que ser así, celebrando todo.
Damn, Roberto with the whistle stick. Johnny doesn't let me light it up, bro. Oh shit.
It's Brian's turn. Brian, do your best job, you feel me? The fire is going crazy, bro. This shit going crazy.
En la mañana vas a levantar toda la basura, man.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
What are you, what? Yeah. Nice.
Move out.
Oh! Oh, yo! This is, wow!
Warheart, the sweetest of cockers.
Back yo yo! Pow. Pow. Back up. Dude, it stopped on its own.
On the floor?
This is crazy.
America.
12 shots, you feel me?
Display angle, 12 shots, colors. Oh, what's up, guys?
That hold up.
Ooh, damn, that shit doesn't hurt.
Oh, I done hit my feet. iPhone what?
iPhone 300. That shit came out from You got that from the English, the restaurant English.
Hey, no, but that's crazy.
Bosco on the way.
Oh shit! What the fuck?
See you guys, subscribe and like the video, and hope you guys enjoy this video too. And thank you for watching.
Oh, whoa.